doing this for me?
Give us money, we'll do it.
आओ यार, मेरे प्रपोजर कहाँ गए? मेरे प्रपोजर भी चले गए.
आपका हक है, हर आदमी लड़ सकता है, हर बहन लड़ सकती है, आपका हक है जी सर.
लेकिन आप प्यार भी लग रहा है मुझको पार्टी के लिए.
आप मुझे गले मिलिए, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके.
इलेक्शन कमीशन का ऑटो है ये तो. यार ये कहीं रुक जाए तो बस पूछ लेंगे इसको. मंत्री जी क्या कर रहे हैं? मंत्री जी फोटो क्रॉप कर रहे हैं प्रपोजर का.
सही में नेता है, खड़े हो रहे हैं इलेक्शन में.
इलेक्शन में खड़ा हो रहा हूँ.
अरे कोई बात नहीं, खड़ा हो, मैं आपका समर्थन हूँ, लेकिन राष्ट्र के प्रति प्रेरित होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल सही बात बोली.
केजरीवाल नहीं, ये तो गद्दार है.
सब गद्दार है. This is the BJP office, he said. Like this is where we should have signed this whole thing, but it didn't happen. But amazing. It's gold. Sir, 2 minutes. Sir, AC 43 के टोकन चाहिए था.
फॉरवर्ड
For nomination.
आ जाओ यार, खाली पड़ा है. टोकन किस लेके? टोकन तो मिलता है 2:30 बजे.
How will I do this, guys? How will I do this? But I will do this. Yeah. Hello and welcome to Project Anda. My name is Meghnad and I'm trying to stand as the MLA of Malviya Nagar constituency in the 2025 Delhi elections. The elections were announced on the 7th of January and it kicked off my adventure. Yeah, it was an adventure actually. What you're about to see is the story of how I filed my nomination. Now, it sounds boring. I know, lots of paperwork, bureaucracy, all the things, but I have tried to make it as fun as possible so that it is not boring. So this video will have footage of me doing things in the last 10 days, and I will also tell you what I learned on the way. The hope here is that this guide will help future independent candidates who want to contest for elections, because honestly, this process was extremely painful and traumatizing. I just don't want future independent candidates to go through the same pain and trauma that I did. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with on 8th of January, a day after the elections were announced, I had one objective. Find the office where I can get a physical form and find out where I will have to finally file my nomination. Based on internet research, I found out that I have to go to the district magistrate office. We found 3 locations on Google Maps, so we set off. So I just want a human person to talk to about this. I have a few questions that I want to ask about nominees, about deposit kaise karna hai, all the things which are very boring things, but very important things when you're standing for elections. So let's see what happens if we are actually able to find someone there. That's another thing. Like I don't know, because last time I checked, there was only one independent candidate who stood from here, who lives in Rajouri Garden. I don't know why there weren't many independent candidates or any after that, but let's see. Hopefully there will be 7 candidates this time instead of 6. I'm so confused right now.
That is the SDM's office.
Hey, kya?
I don't know.
What? Wait.
That is clearly the SDM's office.
I'm so confused. SDM office, Hauz Khas, City Forest, Hauzrani Maidan. That's what it says. Should we go around a bit and see? It is the SDM office there. It just shows a park.
ऑल्सो एग्जैक्ट जो स्पॉट दिया होता है एसडीएम ऑफिस का वहाँ पे सुलभ था तो
Okay, no, I think we should turn back from here. ऐसे जीतोगे इलेक्शंस? रुक जा यार, एक सेकेंड. सॉरी. अरे बाप.
you just lost 2 more voters so they will remember your do you think it exists
I think it does. It should. Nomination कहाँ फाइल करने जाएंगे फिर? So this is attempt number 2, as I said. But this is what happens. Okay, so I looked on the internet. This is all based on internet research. I have been trying for the past month, honestly, to get in touch with people who have either fought independent elections or B, people who have helped other candidates file nominations. I have been able to get in touch with 2 people who refuse to help because they're already aligned with other parties. I have not been able to find an independent candidate who fought from Malviya Nagar specifically who I can talk to for help. So the other option left is basically just read up on the internet and see what happens. Hot tip: the election commission will announce the elections a few days before it is notified. So if you are a new candidate, you need to spend time doing what I did. Find the place where everything happens. And while we were trying to do that, something magical happened. A wild e-rickshaw appeared. एक ऑटो मिल गया. इसको पूछे क्या?
follow this guy
डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिस. ओह वेट कहाँ जा रहे हैं? इलेक्शन कमीशन का ऑटो है ये तो. यार ये कहीं रुक जाए तो बस पूछ लेंगे इसको. देख क्या लिखा है. मेरा वोट मेरी पहचान, एमबी रोड साकेत, डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिस, एमबी रोड साकेत, न्यू दिल्ली. Should we go there?
huh
We'll check this, and then if this doesn't work, then we know this auto is telling us to go there. That's a good idea. This is a sign from the universe. We just
From
got
God.
Yeah.
say god
Yeah, say God. Oh, sorry. This is a sign from the God because we must appease religious. Look, that is the auto. Which should we just follow him? District Election Office, MB Road, Saket, right? Okay. And finally, we found it. Okay, so we found the district magistrate office. We went there, we did some enquiries, and I had a few questions about how to file nominations, which we have some answers for. The first question was, where will I get the form? So I asked them if I can take a printout. They said yes, but also I found out that you get free copies of the form and a document checklist that you have to fill at the magistrate's office. So on the 10th, when the elections are finally notified, I will go and do that. Because the advantage of this is that they will give us a checklist which will have a list of documents that we need. So that's great, because that was going to be my second question. What are the documents that I need? We will have a checklist. The other question I had was, as an independent candidate, I need to give 25,000 rupees deposit. Pause. This is wrong information. I actually had to give 10,000 rupees in deposit. But this 1 week old version of me that you're seeing, yeah, he doesn't know jack shit. Yeah. Anyway, continue, Noob Meghnad. Will it have to be in bank checks? They said I can give cash. So then I have to withdraw 25,000 rupees and deposit it on the day of the nomination and filing, and I have to give them a receipt that I have given the money. So that's sorted. Cash nikalna padega. The third question is, I need 10 people who are proposers who will help me get the nomination. Now, do those proposers have to be registered or residents or voters of New Delhi state or the assembly constituency? The answer is assembly constituency. So now I have to find 10 people who are registered voters of Malviya Nagar. And the final question I had was, the election commissioner said that there is this Suvidha portal where you can file your nominations online now. So I checked it and it doesn't work. So I asked them, will this work by the 10th? And they seemed very non-committal about it, honestly. They were like, shayad chal jayega, shayad nahi chal jayega. If it works, I can actually file all of my nomination papers online, or at least that's the idea. I will still have to go and take the oath in front of the district magistrate though. So I will take printouts and then go. Maybe if the Suvidha portal works, that makes life so much easier. So now the plan is that on the 10th, I have to go and collect the form, and then begins the marathon of filling the form, getting all the documents together, making sure that I have 10 people who will propose. I think they will have to be there when I actually file my nomination. So I need to make sure that those 10 people go there. And as we saw, there is no parking available. So I have to arrange for transport, Ubers, I don't know, e-rickshaws. How will I do this, guys? How will I do this? But I will do this. Yeah. January 10th was the day when the Delhi elections were notified. What that means is that the process of nomination of candidates had officially started. So we got up early in the morning and went to the DM office again. It was form collection time.
Bye, Alu. Can you hold it?
So it is the 10th of January. The announcement video is going up in exactly 10 minutes. And we are on our way to collect the form. We are going to go to the DM office, which we now know where it is. And we are going to collect the form and actually find out which is the room where you have to file your nominations. We found the room quite easily. They made us wait for a bit and then gave us the form. I had to give a copy of my Aadhaar card as well and sign a register to pick up that form. Hot tip, I learnt on this day that you need to keep a copy of your IDs with you at all times. Here are a few other things you need to keep. 3 pens, Fevistick, stapler, passport photos of yourself, and a folder to keep all of your papers. Very important. Honestly, right now, sitting here 9 days later, if I could speak to my old 10 days old self, I would tell them this first, कि ये सब लेके जाना. Because good lord, I had to run around so much. I didn't have any of this. Anyway, back to old me. He is about to get the first real shock of this adventure. Okay, so I have the nomination papers. The people inside were very nice, to be honest. The thing now they told me is that I have to go open a bank account because all the expenditure that I do from this point forward will have to happen from that bank account. And also every 3 days I have to submit a record of even chai pani ka kharcha to them for everything that I spent. I had no idea that I have to open a bank account because honestly I was not thinking of fundraising. I was thinking of spending my personal money, but I guess election rules. Also very complicated form. I have to do one more thing. I need to appoint an election agent. Again, something I didn't know. Cannot be one of the proposers. There is still confusion about whether the proposers have to come here or not, or they can just sign and give their things. They are also seeking clarity, so I might have to come back on Monday because Saturday, Sunday chutti hai, and clarify a few more things. But for now, let's go open a bank account, I guess. Yeah, why not? Chalo. We asked if it has to be a Sarkari bank, and they said, "Nahi, koi bhi bank chalega." So now I'm going to my bank. Should I name the bank? Unka advertisement ho jayega?
No.
No, I shouldn't name the bank. No, I'm not naming the bank. but I'm going to a private bank to open a private, no, not a private, election account. क्या क्या करना पड़ता है ना?
सोरोस का पैसा अब उसी में आएगा.
सोरोस का पैसा उसी में आएगा. Yes, yeah, correct.
सही में नेता है, खड़े हो रहे हैं इलेक्शन में.
इलेक्शन में खड़ा हो रहा हूँ. अरे कोई बात नहीं, खड़ा हूँ, मैं आपका समर्थन हूँ, लेकिन राष्ट्र से प्रति प्रेरित होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल सही बात बोली आपने.
केजरीवाल नहीं, ये तो गद्दार है.
सब गद्दार है. As an independent candidate, when you don't have any party backing you, when you don't have any money, when you don't have a symbol, cadre, what does it take? That is the whole point. I mean, the point is not to win. And there are many banks to choose from to open a bank account. So, it was a Friday afternoon and I managed to make an application to open an account in SBI, State Bank of India. They told me to apply from the YONO app and it was quite easy and fast. The app kept crashing on me, but hey, it's SBI. क्या ही कर सकते हैं. The two other private banks I went to just said कि 5 दिन लगेगा या फिर I'll need like a lakh deposit minimum. So SBI, yeah, well done. Then it was time for me to gather myself and review the papers and see what all I need to do next. Look at this. I need to find an election agent. I have no idea what an election agent does. And I have to find someone to be my election agent from this day. Other than that, what is there? I have to give my name in Hindi and in English because that is how it will appear on the ballot box. They also gave us a list of symbols. We had to choose some, but they kabhi nahi dene hai, but they're like, acha ye available hai, dekh lo. So I have to pick 3 symbols apparently in order of priority. I think we have already chosen a few. Let's see. अगर वो available होंगे तो मिल जाएंगे. Man, this is complicated. And these are the nomination papers. It's a nice little booklet, honestly, which they gave us. See, nomination papers. Nice little booklet. So this booklet I have to fill completely. So I did something smart. I don't know if you think it's smart, but it is smart. I think it's smart. We took a Xerox copy, so this is going to be my practice copy, which I'm going to fill. Practice form filling first. Hot tip: the practice form actually helped. Over the weekend, I made a ton of mistakes while filling it. You need to put in a lot of information, like your financial details, declarations, degree ke details, wife's financial details, all of the things. So you need to gather all of it in one place and then slowly start filling it in the appropriate columns. And it is really minute work, so you need to be very careful. So if you are thinking of applying, practice form filling first. I can't believe I'm telling you this, but genuinely it helps. On day 5, I spent the weekend furiously calling everyone I know in Delhi looking for proposers. I needed 10 people and I was so happy to find my first one. Proposer मिल गया एक तो है actually. And while going around Malviya Nagar, we bumped into a bunch of Aam Aadmi Party people.
Hi. I'm Meghna. I'm actually a content creator and I'm fighting in the Delhi election on the independent candidate. They talk to you
नहीं आप भी इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हो.
मैं अभी जस्ट फॉर्म लेके आया.
अच्छा,
अभी just मैं भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
बहुत बढ़िया. सभी को इलेक्शन लड़ने का हक है. बहुत बढ़िया बात.
हमें पूछना था
आप पहले भी लड़ी है इलेक्शन कोई?
नहीं, पहली बार कर रहा हूँ.
इसी विधानसभा से लड़ रहे हैं?
मालवीय नगर.
अच्छा, मालवीय नगर.
कभी सोमनाथ भारती जी के खिलाफ ही मतलब लड़ खिलाफ तो क्या
खिलाफ नहीं, आपका हक है. हर आदमी लड़ सकता है, हर बहन लड़ सकती है, आपका हक है.
जी सर.
हाँ,
लेकिन आप प्यार भी लग रहा है मुझको पार्टी के लिए.
आप मुझे गले मिलिए, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके.
Okay, so this is where things started escalating. By January 13th, I had 6 proposers. I was confident I'll find 4 more that very day. So I made a plan. I will do everything and file my nomination before everybody else on January 15th, which was a Wednesday, 2 days from then. No big deal, right? I mean, sab to hai. Everyone will be there. All the things are done, right? Right? Wrong, because this happened. So, last time you checked in with me, I had 6 proposers. I still have 6 proposers. And apparently, I found out after going to the DM office again today that it is not enough to have the election voter ID of the proposers and for them to turn up there and nominate me or propose my name. I have to go to an office in Humayunpur with their voter IDs and an application and get it all certified. That I have to put in my application for nomination and also get it notarized. So, yeah. So now I have to run around getting signatures and getting it certified for the next 2 days. Project Anda! This is painful, but Project Anda. We are going to do it. Naam jayega ballot pe. Yeah, that. Till that point, honestly, I was under the impression that I need to get like 10 people, 10 voter IDs, 10 signatures and put it all with my form and it's done. It's done. If the RO asks, I will take a few people with me to prove that they are actually real people, I guess. But no, it's not that easy. What you really need to do is you need to draft an application for each proposer which says that they are registered voters of Malviya Nagar Assembly. You have to find out their part number and serial number and put it in that application. Then you take it to the voter registration office of your constituency and get it certified. Then I have to attach those certificates to the form. Oh yeah, also you need to get a certificate for yourself as well, the candidate. If you are not a candidate from that constituency, you have to go wherever you are registered and then get a certificate from there. Fortunately, I am registered in Malviya Nagar, so I got a certificate for myself as well. Meanwhile, on the proposer front, there was another update. In other updates, my landlord showed up and he's an absolute star. So he has said that by the end of today, he might get me 6 more people to propose my name again. Don't know if that will work, but fingers crossed. So by the end of the day, we might have all of our proposers. Then all I have to do is get it certified. Yeah. It was 14th of January, we had 10 proposers and it was slowly dawning on me that this process was about to get wild. I also realized that nobody actually goes to the election commission to ask dumb normie questions like I was doing about the process like every other day, and I got some amusing responses from one officer. I think he was just like, तुम campaigning पे क्यों नहीं ध्यान दे रहे? तुम लोग ये form filling के पीछे क्यों पड़े हुए हो? So I told him कि but I am the only one doing this. I don't have a team. ऐसे कैसे candidate हो? क्यों लड़ रहे हो? I'm like, okay, wow, dude. Way to discourage someone from fighting elections. And now, enjoy footage of me driving around, getting signatures, having some wild ideas and existential thoughts and deep thoughts. Like, you know, am I crazy? Why am I doing this? Am I insane? What is happening? Should I just give up? Anyway, enjoy Meltdown. Okay, so today is running day. Yesterday, as the update said, we have found out that we have to get the voter card of all proposers verified and certified by the election commission. So today I'm going to run around Malviya Nagar, going to each proposer, getting their signatures on an application, which we will file tomorrow in the election commission, get it certified and then file our nominations. So today is us running around Malviya Nagar. Let's do this.
Showing up at random people's houses.
Yes. Okay, one proposer done. Now we are going to go to the proposer number 2. We have slotted them according to their convenience because we are nice people and that's what politicians should do. Citizens come first, okay? They are our bosses. Boss ka convenience dekhte hain. हमारा थोड़ी कन्वीनियंस देखते हैं एम्प्लॉइज का. 2 done. 2. Now going to the 3rd. That's it. Someone told me that Project Anda is crazy and this is what madness looks like. So I was talking about that. Just that it's interesting how when you have no blueprint and पीछे कुछ नहीं है, आगे कुछ नहीं है, whatever you do becomes fun and it's such a freeing experience. Like if there is nobody to follow, there is no like goal to go to. Essentially, the only goal is that 3 days later I want to file my nomination and I want to see my name on the ballot. If that happens, I win. If that doesn't happen, then well, better luck next time. At least I have experience of trying to do this. Now next time I'll do it better. But it's fun. It's interesting.
I'm pretty sure you can also consult इसके बाद.
Consult with who?
Very
New
rich.
independent candidates.
Very
Ooh.
rich candidates who want to
Dude,
be
I was
independent.
thinking the other day, once we have this blueprint, why don't we just start like a network of independent candidates? We don't have a party, but we do this, like this garbage work of filing nominations, finding proposers, etc. all year long for 5 years. And then we have like independent candidates all across the place in different state elections, different places. And then we just let them loose. You do your thing. Uske baad I don't tell you what to do. I don't tell you what is your plan, etc. But the person will be independent, will not have a party, will not have a party boss. It's like true defeating the, like I hate the anti-defection law. So the only way to defeat the anti-defection law and this whole party culture is to have a network of independents. That's a great idea.
We should build that. That's
Oh my god, that would be brilliant.
Project Omelette.
Project Omelette. Oh, love it. अंडा से ऑमलेट निकला. I love it, dude. Can I come now?
So you want me to, if you're okay with it, can you meet at like Green Park Market?
Yes. Wherever you want.
Okay.
You tell me.
Maybe about 20 minutes or so.
Sure. I am then heading to Green Park Market.
Okay.
Okay, man.
What do you need me to have with me?
Nothing. Just come. I have
Okay.
everything. Yeah. This is the BJP office, he said. Like, this is where we should have signed this whole thing, but it didn't happen. But amazing.
We want to go meet somebody on the
मालवीय विधान सभा का बीजेपी ऑफिस है यहाँ पे. Oh yeah, by the way, while running around, we randomly ended up at the BJP election office as well. And we decided to try and interview the candidate Satish Upadhyay. He's also the BJP state president. Hello friends, so while I was going around trying to get my nominations signed, proposal signed, we stumbled upon a BJP office and the candidate is there. I asked him if he would be open to talking to me on camera. He said no. And I asked him for advice. I told him, yeah, I'm an independent candidate, I'm standing against you, what is your advice? And he said, mat lado, because party join karo, tum haar jaoge, there is no point. First you need to understand how elections work. You will learn many things if you join BJP. And because I'm from Nagpur, which I told him, he said that it is a natural fit. So please understand, please join. I asked him, can I interview you sometime? I mean, I'm a candidate, you're a candidate. I just want to understand what it means to be a candidate. But he said no. He said that I will only talk about BJP and I will not give any advice to any other candidate. Very clearly. I mean, he's a very veteran politician. He's been in politics for 35 years, so I don't mind him dismissing me, honestly. Completely up to him. But yeah, I'm trying to talk to candidates. I'm very happy that I got to talk to him. At least he knows me now. Yeah, that's it.
Do you struggle with वो imposter syndrome को?
Yeah, I do a lot.
How do you work that up?
Yeah, I do, but I feel like I have accepted in a lot of ways that I'm very stupid. But I just sort of embrace it now. That I'm incompetent and stupid and I can always get better. It's never a bad thing to admit it to yourself that you're incompetent. Like for example, like abhi, whenever I'm going and telling random people, like we walked into a CCD right now and I told the few two people there I'm contesting. Kind of looks I'm getting is like, ये आदमी थोड़ा पागल नहीं है? It's true. I mean, like I am incompetent. I mean, the only thing I'm technically doing right now is filling a form. Technically. I'm not doing any campaign. I'm not even thinking of that right now because my first sort of hurdle is getting on the ballot. But it's true. I mean, when it comes to electoral politics, I'm extremely incompetent.
But imposter syndrome is more like you reached some place and then you think you don't.
Yeah. So see, that's the thing. Like, if I'm saying that I am the best placed candidate here, which according to my CV I think I am. But at the same time, I'm also thinking that, you know, there are people who have worked on the ground. They actually meet people in Malviya Nagar. I do none of that shit. So technically, my imposter syndrome is telling me that I'm incompetent. And I am. I just have to accept it and move on with it. And try to maybe work out और क्या कर सकते हैं.
5 done.
5 done. Oof. Okay, intense.
Yeah.
Now we will but tomorrow will be more intense. I feel like because we have to go to that Humayunpur office and do our thing, which is bureaucracy. That's never fun. But yeah, now we are going to our home area. वहाँ पे बाकी के 5 लोग हैं. So at least the traveling bit will be less now. That's great.
3 लोग हैं ना?
5 बाकी है ना रे? 10 है ना?
Oh,
हाँ, so we'll do it.
I'm bad at math.
It's such a pretty area, no? Our constituency has such pretty areas also.
Oh, we didn't do the 6 down celebration of
6 down. 7 हो गए ना?
6 हुए.
1, 2, 3, 4. हाँ, 6. Sorry, 6 down. Sorry, I forgot. Yes, 6 down.
I can imagine.
No, I'm just. I don't know. Like I thought that we are doing everything we can to make sure that we don't get rejected. But I can imagine why independents might be getting rejected is because the process is very complicated. Honestly, like and ये कोई बताने वाला तो है नहीं कि जाके register करना है, बैंक अकाउंट खोलना है, सब कुछ करना है, and then you can stand because it's a pain. It's a pain, but also like you have to get every little detail right, and then you become like a candidate. I don't know. Maybe that's the reason. I'm not sure. Because why aren't there more independent candidates in Malviya Nagar? Why was there only one? And then they don't even give you a reason why they reject you, right? That's the thing. But let's see if they accept us. We are doing everything in our power to make sure that our nomination papers are spot on.
Is he not home?
He's not. Wait.
Infinite traffic.
8 down.
No, 7.
Oh, 7 down. Sorry. Yes, 7 down. Yes. Finally. 3 left. 3 are. 1 is there, 1 is there, and 1 is there.
8 down.
8 down. 8 done. Now number 9 is neighbor, and number 10 is my beloved. So sorted. Friends, it has been achieved. 10 people have proposed my name. And tomorrow we are going to get it certified. And let me introduce you to the star of the show, the real star, who is Santosh.
Campaign manager.
He's going to be my election agent also now. So, big responsibility. What do you think an election agent has to do?
I have no idea. Talk to brands on behalf of.
Fair enough. But then I will see you tomorrow. Hello, it is the 15th of January. Today is the day when we are going to get our proposer certified. So we have to go to Humayunpur to do that. And there is a big problem in Humayunpur, which is parking. So, driver, ride, helmet.
Driver.
Let's see what happens today. Rider, he got offended. It's cold! आपको देखना है एक बार? So we are here to certify our voters in me. Election commission means it's applications. Yeah. I was expecting more of a rush, but there is nobody here. I thought it would go smoothly, but of course not. Of course not. Another complication happened. More work to do. Hi. Sorry, I need one more thing from you. Do you have a passport size photo? So, like, even if you say WhatsApp it to me, I'll take printouts myself. Yeah. If you can, so we can. Yeah. Please, urgently. Oh, okay. Sure. Yeah, thank you. So the new complication is that they told us that we need 2 passport size photos of everyone. So now I have to call everyone and ask them for passport size photos, and then it will get certified. It is Wednesday today. We have 2 days to file the application, and now I'm worried. We also needed to attach court fee stamps of 20 rupees to each application. One of my proposers is 70 years old, and now I have to tell her how to take a photograph of a photograph so that I can digitally enhance it and put it to print abhi. Yeah, which candidate does this? Tell me, which candidate does this? Honestly, Modi ji did this ever in his life? I doubt it.
मंत्री जी क्या कर रहे हैं?
मंत्री जी फोटो क्रॉप कर रहे हैं प्रपोजर का, so that it's acceptable to the election commission. Yes. Not picking up. 8 are in, 2 are left. That was not that painful, honestly. I'm building all of this up in my head for no reason. I've realized every time they put up oh ye bhi karna hai, I look at it initially as a challenge. Oh my god, ye kaise hoga? And then like it's done in like an hour, honestly, because technology and brands.
नेताजी कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? I love calling नेताजी. So demeaning.
Yeah, now we are going to go get printouts of the photograph. At least ढूंढ तो लेते हैं कहाँ से प्रिंट आउट लेना है, और फिर हमको एफिडेविट का प्रिंट आउट लेना है, and we have to get it notarized also, and it's bloody cold. Okay, now सबके है 10 photos we have. Now we have to take printouts. फिर एफिडेविट का भी प्रिंट आउट निकालना है. We are going to do it. Today file हो जाएगा. Yes. तो एक के बाद एक लगा देते, फिर दो लगाने हैं तो
अंदर पूछ लेते हैं काम करके ऐसे करके ऐसे लगा देते हैं
2 sets, always 2 sets of papers, 2 or 3 or 5.
कौन से आपका दुकान पर हो गया है
So, after today morning's complication, we have managed to get photos and print it out and put it all together, and we just submitted it. Now let's hope we get the certificates. अंदर आके साइन करना मुझे भी करना है। अच्छा सर जी नहीं आई फिर। Oh my God! Look at this, so beautiful. All of this beautiful bureaucracy. I was just saying, I don't think I've ever been happier receiving a government document like this, like today. Oh my God! Nice. हो गया
एक सेल्फी ले लेते ट्रैफिक
अरे भाई नोटराइज करना है, चल वो बंद हो जाएगा। नोटराइज करने जाना है, साकेत डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट चलते हैं। लेट्स फाइंड अ रैंडम नोटरी नाउ। After getting the proposer certificates, we rushed to the notary and got the affidavit notarized as well. Now we are ready to file. Okay, so we have notarized the affidavit. Now there are only 2 things left. One is I have to scan it and upload it, then submit it, and then tomorrow I have to go file the nomination. Everything else is done. So, what was that? Oh my God, there was a marathon of just government document filling. But yeah, now I feel okay. I genuinely felt so relieved and happy at this point. It was all done. Finally, it was all done. Or was it? Because I came back home, did all the scanning, uploading on the eSuvidha portal, which the Election Commission has started for online nominations. I submitted my documents and printed everything out. And then a magical unfilled column appeared. I needed all 10 signatures of all proposers all at once. Again. I mean, come on. What the actual is happening? I mean, seriously. Oh my God. Oh. I can't. Project Anda update. So I found out yesterday that I need one final round of all 10 signatures from my proposers on the final form, the printout that I have. So now I am going around again to take signatures. Yeah. And the other thing I found out is that I need to file, I need to take an appointment of the RO in order to file the nomination. So tomorrow is the day. I'm cutting it close, but let's hope. Project Anda. So while I'm running around taking signatures, this is what I'm greeted with all the time. Fir layenge Kejriwal. There are posters with BJP people on it everywhere as well. Kinda makes me think, मैं क्या ही कर रहा हूँ guys? ये कैंपेन शुरू हो गई इनकी। मैंने तो नॉमिनेशन ही फाइल नहीं किया अभी तक। What is this, yeah? Okay, so it's finally done. Today, as I record this, it is the 16th of January. Tomorrow is the last day of filing nominations. I have taken an appointment from the RO tomorrow at 11 a.m. Yes, you have to take an appointment to actually go and give your papers. I have finally all the signatures required again all the certificates, all the affidavits are done, notarized, all the photographs are there. I have literally taken out like 30 pictures of myself because why not? I have many copies of Aadhaar. I have everything in triplicate with me. So, yeah. Tomorrow, I file my nomination. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I don't know. It's a bit nerve-wracking, but yeah, wish me luck. क्या कर रहा है बे? Okay, it's nomination day. It's nomination day. We are on our way to the DM's office, and everyone is very excited. At least I am. I am a little nervous as well. But the idea is that we have taken an appointment of 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. So let's see how long it takes, and if we have everything together. Fingers crossed. नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने के लिए लोग यूजुअली बहुत तामझाम करके आते हैं. दे गेट लाइक ऑल दीज ट्रक्स एंड पीपल एंड ऑल द ढोल हॉल एंड देन दे वुड डू दैट हियर. यहाँ पे देखो गरीब वॉक चल रहा है. यहाँ पे टोटल गरीब वॉक.
सर AC 43 के टोकन चाहिए था
फॉरवर्ड
फॉर नॉमिनेशन.
आ जाओ यार, खाली पड़ा है. टोकन किस लिए? टोकन तो मिलता है 2:30 बजे.
नहीं सर आ रहे हैं एक्चुअली.
आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, कोई नहीं.
अभी कोई टोकन नहीं है.
कोई नहीं. हमारे इधर होगा.
हाँ हाँ
यहाँ आ गया होगा.
हाँ हाँ सब
तो स्लॉट नहीं लिया था आपने?
लिया ना स्लॉट.
कब का टाइम
11 बजे का सुबह का.
तुमने बताया कि नहीं था?
मैं बोला ना, आके ही मैंने बोला कि मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट है 11 बजे का. मैंने स्लॉट दिया 11, 12 और 1 का. So nomination has been filed. There were some defects in the affidavit, so I have to file it again. Intense process. I have taken the oath also, and a picture will show up now, I think. Yeah. So it is done, but we are racing against time. We still have an hour and a half to fix the defects. Okay, bye. नोटराइज हो जाएगा. आगे भी क्या नोटरी वही नोटरी लगा था. हाँ. While I was getting my notarization done, the BJP Chhatarpur candidate also was getting his notarization done with the same notary. The difference between our crowd and his crowd was stark. You guys should be doing this for me.
Give us money, we'll do it.
आओ यार, मेरे प्रपोजर कहाँ गए? मेरे प्रपोजर भी चले गए. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is done. The nomination has been filed. The affidavit had to be filed twice because I did not strike off one thing and write not applicable there. The thing is, I did it all online and it gave me a PDF, so there was no way I could do it anyway. What? I did it. We did it in time. Even the RO was very worried whether I'll be able to do it in time. He's like कि 3 बजे पहले आपके पास 1.5 घंटा है. And we did it. We took stamp size photos, gave it to him, etc. I think in the end he found one tiny other thing, but he dismissed it because I think he liked me. Honestly, yeah. So it's done. Tomorrow is scrutiny day. If I get through that, I'm an official candidate. So yeah, well done to me. Hi. Hi. And that was the first video of Project Anda. I hope you enjoyed it. That was our guide for how to file nominations and how to not get killed by traffic clearly. See you in the next one.